everyone, welcome to 5-minute abs. You're 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off. It's high intensity interval training. Come down with me onto the mat in simple crunches here. This is Mojo. Legs up. Nice and easy to start. Last 3, 2, 1. To get up into a nice forward stretch. Next up, you're gonna bring your feet straight up to the ceiling. Mojo, stop licking. And then you're gonna give me crossover reaches, starting in 5 seconds. He just loves licking me when I'm doing ab crunches. Let's do it. Reach, reach, reach. Try to bring your heels to the ceiling. Nice short breaths here. 3, 2, 1. Hug your knees in. Roll yourself back up. Third exercise, bicycles. Good old-fashioned bicycles. Come on, Mojo. Bring your opposite knee to opposite elbow here. Starting very soon. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Ride that bike. Mojo went to get his toy. Let's see what he chooses to bring back. 3, 2, 1. Very last move. Watch me for a sec. You're gonna come flat to the ground. You're gonna reach opposite hand to opposite toes. This is what I call a cross star crunch. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Reach for those toes, working those obliques and those lower abs as you bring your legs straight up to the ceiling. Hi, baby. And recover. We're gonna climb down this ladder now. So starting with the same move as we just did and slowly coming down that ab hit ladder. Take it back in ready position, star pose, and reach. Go. Go. Exhale as you come up and reach. 5 seconds left. You got this. Mojo, thank you very much for the watermelon. Coming back down that ladder, your bicycles are up next. Ride that bike into the sunset and into ab land. Starting 5 seconds. Set up and go. Opposite knee to opposite elbow. Give me a nice little pause once your knee reaches your elbow and twist, twist, twist. Do you hear him grunting next to me? All he wants to do is play, play, play all day. And recover. Hug those knees in. Bring it back up to those straight leg reaches. Remember, you're going opposite hand to opposite toes. Get it set up. Reach your heels to the ceiling. And go. Keep on reaching. Make sure your back is flat on the ground. 3, 2, 1, and recover. Very last move of this ladder. Legs are up. Instead of crunches, we're gonna come up into a boat pose, and you're gonna hold that for 20 seconds. That's it, and then you'll be done with your 5-minute abs. And let's go. Hold it. Push out your feet like the ground is in front of you. So push that imaginary ground with your heels. Can you go down a little bit lower for the last 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Bring your knees in. Roll around a little bit and roll yourself up into a seated position. That's it, your 5-minute abs. Come back for more to see me and Mojo work out. Mojo, watermelon, go get it.